Yoel Alvarez is set to go down against Ludovit Klein, and this looks like a lovely fight, really much of a lovely fight. Yoel Alvarez is 6'2", 77 inches of reach out of Gijón, Asturias, Spain. This guy choked out Mark Diakis. He was better than Thiago Moises, Alexandria Kovalev, Joseph Duffy. He's a submission god. Only lost to Arman Sarukian. Klein is a heck of a striker, but he has never been too good with submission game. We've seen what happened in his fight against Nate Land, where he lost via anaconda choke. He is throwing Shane Young. He was better than Ignacio Bahamondes, Mason Jones, Devontae Smith. Fought to draw against Jai Herbert. But I don't see this fight going the distance. Gonna say fight not going the distance. Either gonna be Alvarez submission or Klein via stoppage. Really could go either way, and this, for me at least, this is a potential 50-50 situation. Alvarez is way better on the ground, but Klein is a better striker, so could go either way if you're asking me.